Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to hide your email address on Facebook account, then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I will show you how to hide your email address on Facebook account. So guys, let's start the video. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on Facebook profile and then click on edit profile. After that, scroll down and click on edit your about info. After that, you can see here contact info. Here your email is present. Click on edit. After that, click on manage contact info. And then click on email address. After that, click on profile. And here you can change the visibility of email address. Click on change visibility. So guys, you can see I have already hide my email address. If you want to hide your email address, you can click on only me. After that, your email would not be available for public people. So guys, in this way you can hide your email address on Facebook account. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.